Introduction. What is a plant-based diet? Welcome to our in-depth guide on building a sustainable and balanced plant-based diet. Whether you're considering making the switch to a plant-based lifestyle or simply looking to incorporate more fruits, vegetables, and whole foods into your meals, this comprehensive article has got you covered. From understanding what exactly constitutes a plant-based diet to learning how to create delicious and nutritious meal plans, we'll walk you through every step of the way. Get ready to discover the numerous benefits of adopting a plant-powered approach and unlock the secrets for maintaining an optimal level of health and well-being. So, let's dig in, pun intended, and explore the wonderful world of plants together. Benefits of a plant-based diet. A plant-based diet has gained significant popularity in recent years, and for good reason. Not only can it improve your overall health, but it also has positive impacts on the environment and animal welfare. One major benefit of a plant-based diet is its ability to reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. By eliminating or reducing animal products from your meals, you are consuming less saturated fat and cholesterol while increasing your intake of fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and seeds. This shift can lead to lower blood pressure levels and improved cardiovascular health. In addition to benefiting our bodies, adopting a plant-based lifestyle also helps protect the planet. Animal agriculture is a leading cause of greenhouse gas emissions, deforestation, water pollution, and habitat destruction. By choosing plant-based options over meat and dairy products more often or completely switching to a vegan diet, you are reducing your carbon footprint, which contributes positively towards combating climate change. Moreover, a plant-based diet promotes ethical treatment towards animals. While many people choose this way of eating for health reasons, the compassionate aspect should not be overlooked. By opting for plants instead of animals, you are actively avoiding contributing to the suffering that happens behind closed doors at factory farms. Lastly, this type of eating plan offers an abundance of delicious food choices. With so many fruits, vegetables, nuts, and legumes available, it's easy to create flavorful meals that satisfy any palate. Whether you're seeking comfort foods like veggie lasagna or exploring exotic flavors with dishes like tofu stir-fry with Thai basil, the possibilities are endless. So if you're looking for a way to improve your health, protect the environment, and promote animal welfare, a plant-based diet may be just what you need. Try incorporating more plants into each meal, start gradually by having one meatless day per week, and experiment with new recipes. You'll soon discover all the benefits this lifestyle has to offer. Building a balanced meal plan. Building a balanced meal plan is essential for maintaining a sustainable and nourishing plant-based diet. By incorporating a variety of nutrient-rich foods, you can ensure that your body gets all the necessary vitamins, minerals, and macronutrients it needs to thrive. Start by focusing on whole grains such as quinoa, brown rice, and oats. These provide complex carbohydrates that give you sustained energy throughout the day. Pair these with protein sources like legumes, beans, lentils, or tofu to promote muscle growth and repair. Don't forget about fruits and vegetables. They are packed with antioxidants, fiber, and essential nutrients. Aim for a colorful plate filled with leafy greens, berries, citrus fruits, cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower, and root vegetables, carrots, sweet potatoes. Include healthy fats in your meals too. Avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil are great options. They help absorb fat-soluble vitamins and support brain function. Lastly, don't skimp on hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and aid digestion. By combining these food groups in your meals, you'll create a well-rounded and nutritionally balanced plant-based diet. Remember to listen to your body's cues and adjust portion sizes accordingly. Experiment with different flavors and cooking methods to keep things exciting. Building an enjoyable meal plan is key to sustaining this lifestyle long-term. The importance of including variety in a plant-based diet. Variety is the spice of life, and it's no different when it comes to a plant-based diet. Including a wide range of foods in your meal plan not only adds excitement and flavor to your meals but also ensures that you're getting all the essential nutrients your body needs. One key reason why variety is important in a plant-based diet is because different plants offer different types and amounts of nutrients. By incorporating an array of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds into your daily meals, you'll be able to access a broader spectrum of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, fiber, and phytochemicals. Another benefit of including variety in your plant-based diet is that it helps prevent food boredom. Eating the same foods over and over again can lead to monotony and make sticking with a healthy eating plan more challenging. By experimenting with new recipes and trying different ingredients each week or month, you'll keep things interesting while nourishing your body with diverse nutrients. Furthermore, including variety in your plant-based diet promotes gut health. Different types of fiber found in various plant foods feed beneficial bacteria in our digestive system. These bacteria play an important role in supporting our immune system function as well as aiding digestion and nutrient absorption. Incorporating variety also allows for flexibility when it comes to seasonal availability or budget constraints. It enables you to adapt your meal plan based on what's fresh at the farmer's market or on sale at the grocery store while still meeting nutritional needs. Common mistakes to avoid when starting a plant-based diet. Incorporating a plant-based diet into your lifestyle can bring a multitude of benefits for both your health and the environment. However, it is important to approach this dietary change with knowledge and caution to ensure you are building a sustainable and balanced meal plan. One common mistake that people make when starting a plant-based diet is relying too heavily on processed foods labeled as vegan or plant-based. While these products may be convenient, they often contain high levels of additives, preservatives, and added sugars. Instead, focus on whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, legumes, whole grains, nuts, and seeds to provide your body with essential nutrients. Another mistake is neglecting the importance of protein in a plant-based diet. Many people assume that eliminating animal products means sacrificing protein intake. However, there are plenty of plant sources that can contribute adequate protein to your meals. Include foods like tofu, tempeh, lentils, quinoa, and hemp seeds in your diet to ensure you are meeting your daily protein needs. Furthermore, you should also avoid restricting yourself to just one or two types of fruits or vegetables. A diverse variety of produce will provide different vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants necessary for optimal health. Plant-based diets offer endless possibilities for creativity in the kitchen, so take advantage by experimenting with different flavors, textures, and cuisines. It's all about finding what works best for you.